Okay, guys, so we got a data set here on Kaggle Monkey Images. There's 30 images and there's 10 classes, and there's a little bit of a class imbalance. But we're going to make it work the best we can. You're going to import it into your Google Colab Drive, file1 equals, okay, image data generator, horizontal flip equals true. I'll show you why validation split of 50%. Okay, so file1. Bat size 2, 384, categorical training. Okay, 18 images for the training belong to 10 classes. And then you're going to see something in a second. Okay, flow from directory file 1. Bat size equals 1, categorical, validation. Now I did this so that there would at least be one of each class for that. But, better. That's the data set we got to work with. Dense 10 because there's 10 classes. Convolution 128, 64, 32, 16, and 8. Dense 10, softmax, which is the best for multi-categorical. The kernel strides go down to right here where you start doing 2. Atom or SGD, it doesn't matter. Categorical cross entropy, categorical accuracy. Okay, so as you can see, the only thing that didn't do too good was the validation set. Training accuracy and loss solved itself pretty quick. Okay, but it made 2 correct predictions. Okay, you know how this is 0? The class labels start in the order. Let me show you. Remember how there's 10 classes? All the way to N9 to N0. So this is class label 0. You see this? 0, 0. Now 384 from the input shape and the target shape. CV2, IM read the image, whatever your test image is. Reshape the array -1, 3, index. Predict, prepare. And then this is just to show it and print the arrays. Computes the class label to 0, 0. There's the monkey too. Okay, same thing is over there. Only difference is this belongs to this class. Let's see if it predicted it correctly with NumPy and pArgmax. Yes, it did. 1. So guys, feel free to play with it on your own and see whether you can do better. You don't always get to pick your data sets. Okay guys, stay tuned for my next video.